Aviation War Room. Surveillance active. Targets identified on the North Apron. Aviation War Room. Locking coordinates for Strike Package Alpha. Impact in 5 seconds.
Initial impacts confirmed. Taxiway Zulu is now non-operational. Aviation War Room continuing sweep.
Aviation War Room. Direct hit on Target 2. Thermal bloom suggests fuel ignition. Multiple splashes confirmed. Aviation War Room reporting total suppression of the western sector.
Switching to wide angle. Aviation War Room assessing remaining assets. Most targets neutralized.
Aviation War Room. Laser designator active. Bomb away. Impact in 3, 2, 1. Aviation War Room. Target Alpha destroyed. Secondary explosions detected in the cargo hold. Sweep complete. All primary hangars are now thermal positive. Aviation War Room moving to Phase 2. Aviation War Room. Identifying ground movement.
Looks like maintenance crew. Tracking. Aviation War Room. Fuel stores engaged. We have a major ignition.
Shockwave confirmed. Aviation War Room. Monitoring secondary structural collapses. Aviation War Room. Hangars B4 and B5 are compromised. Internal temperatures rising. Horizon is clear. No inbound signatures. Aviation War Room maintains air superiority. Aviation War Room. Targeting specific tail number asset. Missile inbound.
Aviation War Room. Fighter asset neutralized. Hangar structure is a total loss.
Scanning for UXO. Aviation War Room. Taxiway remains impassable.
Aviation War Room. All transport assets in Sector 7 are confirmed destroyed.
Final objective in sight. Aviation War Room. Comms blackout in progress. Aviation War Room. Analyzing structural integrity of Cargo Group 3. Thermal lock established.
Heat detected in Engine 2. Aviation War Room. Target is preparing for departure. Immediate intervention required.
Aviation War Room. Kinetic impact confirmed. Nose gear compromised. Target is grounded. Aviation War Room. Spread confirmed. Secondary fires are now self-sustaining in the avionics wing.
Scanning perimeter. Aviation War Room. No active radar signatures detected in the western quadrant.
Aviation War Room. Ground vehicle identified. Requesting authorization for interdiction. Aviation War Room. Vehicle neutralized. Communication link severed.
Mapping fire lines. Aviation War Room. Airbase is approximately 60% engulfed. Aviation War Room. Thermal signature detected in Shelter 3. Possible scramble in progress.
Aviation War Room. Direct hit on Shelter 3. Internal asset is non-operational.
Aviation War Room. Switching to night vision. Detecting small arms fire on the northern perimeter. Aviation War Room. Sniper activity identified on the tower balcony. Engaging.
Ground teams moving in. Aviation War Room. Sector 4 is being secured.
Visual obscured by thermal wash. Aviation War Room. Adjusting gain levels.
Aviation War Room. High-value escape attempt detected at the south gate. Tracking vehicle. Aviation War Room. Target locked. Missile away in 5 seconds.
Switching to thermal for terminal guidance. Aviation War Room. Impact in 3, 2.
Aviation War Room.
Target eliminated. No survivors detected at the exit point.
Aviation War Room. BDA in progress. All primary and secondary assets are confirmed as scrap.
Mission accomplished. Aviation War Room. Returning to base.
Out.
Aviation War Room. Craters are verified at coordinates 49er. No signs of activity in the debris field.
Aviation War Room. Locating transport fleet. They are cold and stationary. Preparing to designate.
Aviation War Room. Thermal flare detected at the substation. Potential electrical fire in progress.
Aviation War Room. Penetration confirmed on Hangar 7. Structural failure is imminent.
Aviation War Room. Target identified. Small-scale thermal signature. Likely an emergency power unit.
Aviation War Room. Switching to black hot. Contrast adjusted. Fire spread is clearly visible.
Aviation War Room. Perimeter check. No breaches detected. Sector remains isolated.
Aviation War Room. Target 12 is a total loss. Moving to the next objective.
Aviation War Room. Second sensor is on station. Terminal building showing high internal heat.
Aviation War Room. Comms shack neutralized. Total signal blackout achieved.
Aviation War Room.
General, the airfield is effectively neutralized. We are holding for further orders. Aviation War Room. Radar unit spotted. Coordinates coming to you now. Aviation War Room. Correcting flight path. Final scan of the southern strip.
Aviation War Room. Logistics center is 80% destroyed. Secondary fires are spreading.
Aviation War Room. Ground teams, be advised. Thermal map updated. Proceed to Sector 5.
Aviation War Room. Identified fuel trucks. They are currently being targeted.
Aviation War Room. Direct hits. Fuel trucks are neutralized. Aviation War Room. Objective met. Moving to final cleanup.
Aviation War Room. Final sweep in progress. All primary targets are non-operational.
Mission complete. Aviation War Room. Handing over to ground forces. Out.
Aviation War Room. Sector 9 heavy assets in sight. Preparing to deliver the final blow to their transport capability.
Aviation War Room. Direct impact confirmed. Target 44 is completely neutralized. Debris field is localized.
Aviation War Room. Assessing Hangar 4. Secondary ignition is spreading to the storage bays. Success is at 90%. Aviation War Room. Wide sweep initiated. No mobile assets detected in the immediate kill zone. Perimeter remains secure. Aviation War Room. Auxiliary power source identified. Neutralizing now to ensure total base blackout. Aviation War Room. Fuel manifold targeted. This will trigger a chain reaction through the entire storage farm. Aviation War Room. Manifold hit confirmed. We have a catastrophic fuel ignition. Mission objectives are being exceeded. Aviation War Room. Secondary assets identified. Fighter wing is still intact. Redirecting remaining munitions. Aviation War Room. Fighter wing designated. All 12 targets are in the queue. Total neutralization in 15 seconds. Aviation War Room. Sequence initiated. Target line is being erased. We have multiple confirmed kills.
Aviation War Room. Damage assessment. 100% loss across the fighter line. No salvageable components remain.
Aviation War Room. Targeting radar array. Final phase of the isolation protocol is now active.
Aviation War Room. Radar array destroyed. The tower is down. Total signal blackout is now in effect. Aviation War Room. Airbase is fully neutralized. All primary and secondary systems are non-operational.
Aviation War Room. No inbound reinforcements detected. Perimeter roads are clear for the next 20 kilometers.
Aviation War Room. Found the fuel trucks. They're hiding in the tree line at Sector 12. Engaging. Aviation War Room. Rockets away. Hits confirmed. The fuel trucks are neutralized. No escape path remaining.
Aviation War Room. Sector 12 is cleared. All mobile fuel assets have been eliminated.
Aviation War Room. Final report. 85 targets neutralized. Airbase is 100% non-functional. Mission accomplished.
Aviation War Room. Operation complete. Returning control to headquarters. Out.
Aviation War Room. North Sector is effectively a graveyard. Checking for movement near the HAS-3 shelters. Aviation War Room. Thermal leak detected on Shelter Bravo. Something is running inside. Marking for a follow-up strike. Aviation War Room. Main strip is severed. Impact crater confirms total runway denial. No assets can depart this facility. Aviation War Room. Perimeter sweep in progress. Scanning for mobile threats in the outer perimeter. Aviation War Room. Radar hub is non-functional. The dome has been breached. They are blind. Aviation War Room. Ground movement identified. Single asset attempting to exit through the south gate. Aviation War Room. Target locked. Executing interdiction. 3, 2, 1.
Aviation War Room. Impact confirmed. Asset eliminated. The perimeter is now 100% contained.
Aviation War Room. Tower is dark. No visual signals. Control of the local airspace is complete.
Aviation War Room. Final BDA. Battle damage assessment in progress. Base capacity reduced to 0.
Aviation War Room.
Secondary munitions are cooking off in Hangar Alpha. Advise ground teams to maintain 500 meters clearance.
Aviation War Room. Fuel farm is a total loss. These fires will burn for another 48 hours minimum. Aviation War Room. Marking taxiway craters. Map updated for incoming transport. Route clear.
Aviation War Room. Maintenance yard clear of personnel. No survivors detected in Sector 4.
Aviation War Room. Perimeter pass complete. All friendly assets accounted for. Mission remains clean. Aviation War Room. Terminal building clear. No heat signatures detected on the upper floors. Aviation War Room. Alternate strip is non-operational. Total airfield denial achieved. Aviation War Room. Looking at a total asset wipe. The enemy air capability in this region has been erased. Aviation War Room. Weather is clear for exit. Preparing to rotate out of the objective area. Aviation War Room. Light levels increasing. Thermal contrast is still optimal. Final sweep starting now.
Aviation War Room. Serial confirmation for Target 7. It is a match. High-value asset confirmed destroyed.
Aviation War Room. Recording full sector panorama. No active threats remaining. All primary and secondary goals met. Aviation War Room. Transmitting final mission code. Airfield neutralized. We are off station. Out. Aviation War Room. Mission successful. Returning to base. See you on the other side.
Aviation War Room. Logging out. Stand by for post-op debrief. End of feed.
Aviation War Room.
System handshake confirmed. Encryption active. Sensors coming online now.
Aviation War Room. Calibrating thermal gain. Contrast set for high-intensity ignition events. Feed is crystal clear.
Aviation War Room. Satellite link established. Transitioning to local sensor 021. We are live over the target.
Aviation War Room. This is Vance on the ground. Laser is active. Hangar Bravo is painted. Send it. Aviation War Room. Detecting heavy jamming on the uplink. Rerouting through the secondary relay. Hold on.
Aviation War Room. Mission logged. That's a wrap. Let's get some air.
Aviation War Room. Bird is on the ground. Data recovery initiated. Sector is silent.